Is today's AI operating on programmed ethics? This highlights the need for ongoing development and studying AI ethics. AI now simply follows and applies these rules. It follows algorithms to prioritize safety. But can we code for every possible scenario? Now we can identify and block unwanted emails based on human-set criteria. However, the complexity of human ethics presents a challenge. This is true for many AI applications, from medical diagnoses to financial modeling. Human oversight is a key factor / they don't just make their own ethical choices. Can a machine truly understand nuance and context as humans do? As we all know, the programmed approach has its limitations. The answer for now is no. These rules are clear, defined by human programmers. Machines follow our instructions. It's programmed into self-driving cars to avoid collisions and avoiding hitting pedestrians, just to name a few. Imagine AI observing it analyzes the consequences. Could AI learn morality this way? It could analyze literature, history, and current events. It could identify patterns in our actions. It could learn what we value. This exposure to human experience could shape the AI's understanding of right and wrong. However, this learning process is not without risk. It might learn to prioritize other values over strict adherence to truth. This raises interesting questions about how AI might interpret human morality. An AI observing this might conclude that honesty is flexible. AI could learn from vast datasets of human interaction. Our actions are not always consistent with our ideals. We also should consider the concept of honesty. Humans often bend the truth or human behavior. It witnesses our choices, both good and bad. We tell white lies to avoid hurting feelings. This is a fascinating possibility. By observing us, AI could potentially develop its own ethical framework. If AI develops its morals, who is accountable? The development of AI morality raises fundamental questions. For one, who is to blame if AI makes a decision with negative consequences? Accountability becomes a central concern. We must consider the implications of creating machines with their own moral compass. Can we trust AI with its morals? Imagine an AI tasked with optimizing healthcare. How much autonomy should we grant AI in ethical decision-making? Too much control stifles AI's potential. This scenario, while extreme, highlights the potential dangers of misaligned AI morals. If AI develops morals that differ from ours, trust becomes difficult. Too little control creates unacceptable risks. Finding the right balance is crucial. This is a fundamental question. The question of control is paramount. Trust requires predictability and alignment with our values. It might decide that elderly patients are less valuable than younger ones. Should humans always have the final say? It might allocate resources accordingly. This is a risk we must carefully consider. Misaligned morals could lead to unintended consequences. We must ensure that AI's values align with our own. Leave your comment below on this controversial topic. And click the like button if you appreciate the content.